Hey, so I have figured out that this mechanical fuel pump is no good, and so I will need to replace it. And so what I have done is I ordered an electric fuel pump. And so which I will be mounting it, I believe somewhere in this area. Right in this area here. And so trying to figure out how I should cut it in. You know? Or maybe, I can't move down the fuel line. I could put it inside. I could go inside with it, even. But who knows? If I was to do it inside, it would be right in the passenger side, in the cubby. And I could I would actually be able to do, like, put a kill switch, Secret kill switch down in there, That'd be a good idea. Let me know what you guys think about that. That's a little fresh idea I just came up with. And also, I want to give a shout out to the maintenance man. He hooked it up with these. Some Douglas USA. And also, these are badass. Some Weehaw super long precision screwdrivers. They're freaking badass. I've been using the flatheads on the carburetor right in this spot. They have been coming in super handy. The length, I'm able to get in right in here. And oh yeah. Know what I'm saying? Works out good. There's Teddy. He's just doggying around right now. Harbor Freight tarp collection going on there. Some gas that's been sitting out. It's kind of interesting, the color in it. It's not the same color as in here. Huh. I wonder if it's got some water in it or something. Huh, Teddy? Huh, Teddy boy? Huh, Teddy dog? Teddy! Rawr. 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 Goofy dog. Anywho, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Ordered a Carter fuel pump off of Amazon. It was under $40. And then it was the last one from that seller. And all the other sellers had them for around $90. And I got the information on this fuel pump from a VW guy that does bugs and vehicles like that. And so, yeah. I will see you guys later. And thanks to the maintenance man. Deuces.